everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you saw in the clip before, I unboxed the Apple iPad Pro. This is the 11-inch and this is a new version from 2020. As you can see, the camera on the back. So I love the back, the detailing. I have it in space gray and I love the detailing, I love the camera. And also to kind of review the setup, it took like 15 to 20 minutes to set up the iPad because I already had a iPad to connect it with, but my older iPad was the 10.5-inch 2019 version, I think. And also today I'm gonna go do a review on the camera, on this camera, and I'm gonna do a difference between the older iPad and this one, so you can see if you like the camera, the quality, and all of that. Also, I bought the Apple Pencil. I also had the other one, the first generation, but I did want to pair it with this iPad, and because I do a lot of digital art, I do a lot of things with school, so I think if you'd like to start taking digital notes and making the school experience a little bit better, and you want to switch to a digital version of taking notes and studying, I would recommend this. This is one of the reasons I got this iPad, because I love to take notes. I did get the screen protector, the version that is not paper-like, but it's kind of a feel of paper, so it's easier to write. The company that I ordered this was from Amazon, so I'm gonna link it down below if you want to purchase it. Also, I don't have a case for the iPad yet because it's still coming. I ordered it from Amazon as well. You're gonna see the case in another video probably, because I am gonna do a lot of things with this iPad. So I have planned to do a lot of videos about school, how I take notes, how I organize, how I prepare for a new semester at college, basically how you can transform the college version of online school into digital note-taking, digital studying. I love the idea to switch to a digital version of school. Okay, so also I do like that the Apple Pencil kind of has a magnetic thing to it, that it sticks on the iPad. The iPad also comes with a Face ID like the new iPhones. So basically I wanted to show you the things that I like, the things that I want to do with this iPad, and what has me interested in this. So for the end of this unboxing, I hope you like the video. I know it's not a huge review of the iPad, but I am gonna do a better review once I get to know more about the iPad and actually use it for a couple weeks. So stay tuned for that, and also stay tuned for a lot of videos about school related, how to study, how to take notes in the iPad, how to organize your ideas, so many things I want to do. So stay tuned for that. I am also gonna do a lot of things with makeup and outfits, lifestyle. I also love everything about that. So if you like the video, please subscribe down below and press the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video.